Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to show you how to remove this error or clear the error from Minolta Bizab. It's going to be 367, but it works on all modules. What we're going to do, so what is happening here, the toner, waste toner is empty, but the machine shows that it's full. So okay, so now we're going to start. What to do, you can open here, pull out here, get this out. You can see it's empty, so close there. Get myself a screwdriver. You see it has this section. You have to open it. And open it. Okay. Open it. So you're done. You put this out. Then the project is to do what? To clean this guy. You see him? Have to clean him. So what we do, we're going to take out all the powder here. You can see this could also cause the issue. Okay, it goes in like this, but we're going to clean it so well. Okay, I'm gonna get a wiper. I'm gonna get a tissue, first tissue. See, I put a tissue inside. So I'm gonna push in the tissue. I'll take it out. Push in the tissue. Then I put it out. I'm gonna take it out. Okay, taking it out. So I'm gonna use something, wipes. When I use wipes, because they have liquid on them, always they can clean better on top and also inside. So I'm gonna put this inside. Wipes. Push it inside to clean. Okay. Push it inside. Clean this 100%. Okay. You can see that this is clean, 100% clean. So okay, once it's like that, what I'll make sure also that there's no toner. Once I'm done with this, then I'm gonna get the screws. Okay. Okay, we're done with that part. Now we're going to the second part, whereby this guy has to be here. I have to put him in here. You get me? You put him back. Then it goes in like this. So okay. Yeah, let me try to do. Let me try to put the screws up back, then we're going to talk after the okay. Well guys, we're done with that. So now you can see. Put it back, cleaned it. Looks clear. That's the toner we took out. Then we're gonna have to put it in the right way. Okay. Close and see what's gonna happen now. Say, yeah, you can see. Say store the ID, whatever, then we'll be fine. Can you try to print? We're gonna try to print, guys. Wait, let's switch off the machine. Let's switch on the machine. Switch. Okay, you can try print. You can see our machine now is fine. We can print. No stress no more. Okay guys, thanks for watching and hope to see you in the next video.